everybody, it's another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make DIY fall coasters, fall craft number 4, and they're super easy to make. And yeah, so what you will need is some cardboard, scissors, paper, and some watercolors or poster colors, or you can use color pencils. And yeah, over here I've cut out the acorn and pumpkin. What you need to do is just color it or paint it, or you can use brown paper or anything. But I'm painting it. You have to paint the upper area a little darker shade of brown and the downer area a little lighter shade. And yeah. So everybody, what you need to do now is when your acorn and pumpkin are dried up, just add clear tape on top of them, so when you put your tea or something, so they'll not get wet. And yeah, so I've added all tape on both of them. Now just cut them out, and yeah. hope you enjoyed it, and till next time.